Me plant coffee long time. This coffee no mix up with by coffee. This coffee are Jamaica coffee. A blue mountain, high mountain coffee this. And me are one of the whole farmer, you know. Me no easy boy.
In this video, we embarked on a journey to the hills of Mount Prospect, St. Andrew, to spend a day with Sam and his past schoolmates. We'll see how they dig white and yellow yam, roast it and pair it with saltfish. That's a traditional starchy and salty eat here.
Ready for pot.
You'll find food vendors selling it on the streets, but most of us would have experienced it growing up in the countryside. We'll see how they fertilize their coffee for the upcoming 2025 batch.
Jesus man, me a boy try to and drink, cause then kill God pick Jesus, and my brother then kill. And me a take him say farm Babylon, me a Babylon no friend, and them me a plan.
The scenic mountain view here is wild. The journey starts now.
So I rode this?
I rode, man.
Blow. Backside. Ooh, this a road again. Jeez and peas. Man.
Massive.
What?
Away.
You know the hurricane is gone?
Yeah. Major one. I told them to run down the road.
Oh, so that's why all of them carry the park up here, so?
Yeah.
Nobody can.
Nobody can go down. But people live down the road.
Jeez and peas. I still own prospect with it though.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. Jeez and peas.
We drive right now, do right now, apartment.
Usually just drive go straight,
Yeah, man,
guys.
just drive and park and walk, but you know, this is the road.
Oh. Oh, the road gone. Down in the river gone.
Yeah, man, the right, gone straight down the river.
Right, down there. Oh, the road
Yeah,
gone.
so business in there, no?
Hmm?
Yeah, so it's in there, no?
What? In business?
Plant here. Yeah, man, right, that's all. And he saying sea start broke. But the thing is that then black up the place up there, some man. Black up the caldwell.
Mao?
Yeah, man.
You could have, as in, you use it as like a
Polish.
a polish.
Yeah, man.
I ate this. Yeah, the blue Mao. Forest Reserve. Can't touch it. Eh? How long is that town?
Yeah, man. Put down over there, sir. And sit here in front of it.
Okay.
3 months and 4 months to take care of. We have to take care of it. No pork in it.
Fine there, coffee there. Yeah.
Work in a farm down boy.
Yeah.
But keep you up and know if you do. You do not start and you too much work. You do right thing one time, I get result. Here.
Yeah.
You do the chaka cast enough.
That's true.
I put you come one plant, you know. I don't want to go and give you no advice. When you don't have a farm.
Yes.
I put you come one. I work and you want to read.
God won't keep. Cut the back a little.
Fertilize. Yo, pa mi tika mi tika. Mo ane ma fi plant. Ade na mi plant.
You want to see the cook and go and eat tonight.
Alright. Yeah, man, respect, man. Respect, man. Yes, man, respect, man. Juka have jelly and sitting. Bush come. True, man, respect. Yeah, my father sub say anything you want, this thing you see in the bush, man, go and chop cane, anything at all, juke jelly, anything at all you want, just go and feed yourself, man, in the morning. Bush come. This is the vibe, man. Yes, man. We up in the hills. Way up in the hills. Mount Prospect. Mount Prospect, that's all.
Yeah, man, we're there. Mount Prospect, yeah, man.
We up in the hills.
Yeah.
Yo, okay, nice. So the coffee them I get fertilized today. Man, the coffee them I get fertilized today, and so yam I got dig. Yeah, man. Dig up yam. What kind of yam?
Yellow yam, apple yam, yellow yam.
Oh,
I put it on sapper tree too.
Yeah, man. See what
Sapper tree the pan soon come up.
yeah. I buy next month. I buy next month and start right up.
Yeah. They sapper them, they soon full up and more rain. And me one of the whole farmer, you know, me no easy boy. Me plant coffee long time. And me left here and come back, no money, want more money. Coffee take all for work. Put him on cutlass and show him a big cutlass.
That's true.
I mean, not to plant coffee, tell them.
Nah, stop. Nah, stop
Brad
plan.
coffee for him.
Yeah, man.
Me have 2 acres more coffee while for the price too cheap. Expensive clean you up and take care of you. God, look at it. Come put him on this. And this in the garden where I suck out everything off my coffee. These. Look at them, all the little green and you have to take them off. And the crop done. The crop done, you have to take off these, it brings insect on the tree.
Oh, you have to take them off?
Yeah, these have to take off. And these have to take off of the tree. And these suck out the tree, don't need these. These not needed.
And a young flowers, and a young leaf.
Yeah, look at these not needed.
Okay.
These suck out the tree, these are something not needed. Say extension,
Oh.
expansion. When you want to expand, you left one. When the too much, you suck out the tree. Yeah, son. So that's why we have to deal with farm, only for work.
Can we see them there?
And then still
So them
good
they have to
coming
pull
out
out.
that way.
Oh, them are good?
Yeah, man.
What them they do? Plant back?
Drink them.
Oh, you drink them?
I sow them and plant them.
Okay.
Because nothing on my uncle farm we're not doing. If you treat them like what I don't know, and put them and drink and sell. And them are, look at them, put it on this. These coffee no mix up with buy coffee. These coffee are Jamaica coffee. These don't mix up. I buy the background coffee, them and mix up. A blue mountain, high mountain coffee this.
Yeah.
High mountain. Put it on them at your young boy. So much you need to. I say you they knit up. And beer up and them at you enough is so tall. Because people not tall to go up in here.
So they know for so long.
Yeah, boy, come and show them to uncle. Come. So you have to go to your farm and deal with farm training.
Yeah, man.
I don't want to go too high.
Long time you do it. Man.
Yeah, I look at them. And so the farmer will line up. If you want to get money out of it. No, come here, uncle. Here, me now. You have to pop off these. Because these are needed.
Them are grow up.
Yeah, these are go to tall and suck out the nourishment from the tree. So farmer have lots of work. And so farmer have work to maintain it.
Especially coffee farm and them.
Yeah, all the power work and labor, young boy. Look at us here again. Uncle, you have to take off these. These have to come off. Because these suck out the tree and need these for the moment that none.
Yeah.
When down so one, so make one come up. So this is suck out the tree, so these have to come off.
Yeah, man.
So farmer have a lot of a thing. Go up video the man out there, so long, uncle.
Drop some fertilizer and coffee root them. How often it is not to get fertilized?
Like we get them fertilizer, I'm going to around August.
Oh, a couple months well it all them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then get ready already, but you should them be around.
Oh, them a blossom.
Them blossom out.
So by when them start beer?
And that be already.
Okay.
But everything will be at one time.
Mm.
Because it's ripe. Everything will at one time. Same as the beer.
Is that what scent?
No, no smell like it.
No smell? Eh? I say just sprinkle it around it. Okay. So what is to keep what the fertilizer do?
When the rain come down, you melt it and the tree pick it up.
Oh. Oh, so a nourishment. Like a food for tree.
Yeah, this come like manure.
Oh.
They come like manure.
Mm.
And then pick it up and different disease.
True.
And when the rain come down, you melt it.
Mm.
Well, I want to know the night dew can melt it before the rain comes.
Oh, the night dew can melt them
Yeah,
before the rain. Oh, okay. Okay. So I just for the coffee this coffee or it give nourishment to the yam.
For the yam too.
Okay. So any plant at all it can go for?
Yeah.
True.
Get a yam too, man.
Yeah, man, Uncle Sam, man. See, have the pine in my ground there.
Yeah, man, I don't find there, man. No
Only-
find there, right through the pine there, man.
Hold on, them have blossom, them white thing upon the leaf.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, them are the blossom for start beer the coffee.
Okay. Oh, nice. Nice.
But you got rather.
Yeah, mommy, rather.
Them are the big top.
I them sell the seed them and well mainly. I mainly see them themselves.
Yeah, man. Pop
True.
show, color look.
All of them seed them.
Yeah,
Can
they
get
got the right there, get it.
rather.
Yeah, the land, yeah.
Okay. So them do them come in and look for your land and them something are you are not really matter to
So
them.
my time, one thing I bloom.
Okay, true. I know first and them do it though. First and them go through and check out the land them
Yeah,
and help out with the farmer them.
yeah, so my time you get all around to the
And get free too? Some of the time, eh?
But one thing I bloom, now, the more say you have to buy your life.
Yeah. Once a while.
Yeah.
So if you look on the ground and see all of them white thing here, these are the fertilizer for the coffee.
That one in here, that one in here.
Eh?
You rather one in here.
What, the fertilizer?
Yeah. You mark on the back. You rather.
Oh, Ura.
And the other one mix 15, 35 mix. You know? You
Yeah.
mix it to the Eura. But then that's how we take the one out.
Okay.
You know, the 15,
So why difference to that one, the next one?
Eh?
Why difference to the next one?
I mix.
Oh, a mix.
Yeah, I mix.
Oh.
I want to straight. That's for the white man.
Yeah.
Now the white man this.
So which one better? The mix one better or the straight one?
That one is better too. What are they better?
Anyone?
All those name, you know? All those name.
So what I see right now, you know, the coffee them I get fertilized, you know?
Yeah, man.
Coffee them getting fertilized and
Yeah, we fix them up and then fix them back later.
yeah. True. Once you take care of them take care of you, not true?
Last year they give me $10,000 back.
$10,000 box.
Yes, last year. You know, them are doing the sale again.
So $10,000 box. That's a good price.
Now we could have get more.
Could I get more?
I bring enough money I could.
Yeah, true. Yeah, cause coffee not cheap, you know.
Now because I was thinking of coffee and medicine.
All medicine.
Yeah. So this is coffee wine you can't buy, you know.
Eh?
It's very expensive.
Yeah, true. Coffee is very expensive, man.
Everything you go in other country, everybody wants it.
True.
Pepper, name it. They say free coffee are the best in the world, you know.
Our coffee.
This coffee.
True.
All who grow it after. And say it's the best in the world.
True.
Everybody come and want you know. That's how the tourists can come and have the same here.
They eat the same way, so?
Yes, I mean,
They just eat it.
Oh, they love it.
Yeah.
They love it one thing else. You watch any show at all. First thing I just tap in and say if you want a cup of coffee.
Coffee.
And if you watch it move with them.
Yeah, man.
And then, as you enter the yard, I say you want a cup of coffee. And then drink it wicked at Cuba too.
Eh?
And drink it wicked at Cuba.
And drink enough over there. Hey.
Yeah, then drink, my man tell me say they drink it wicked at Cuba.
And drink enough of
They
Cuba.
drink it like them I drink water.
Coffee.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So when you hear me on the radio, the man say, it good for him. Asthma.
The coffee?
Yeah.
Eh?
Upon man tell you where me talk so. And
Could be.
I know man, I say, I took you talk. He
Could
said,
be.
yes man, we studied that in school.
Could
in
be.
high school, and then go.
Mm-hmm. Could be for true.
Yeah. He said good for you asthma. Yeah. So when it ripen and it just pass you know, if you actually I just smell.
I just smell. Once you chuck drive
Yes.
fast, yeah,
When
smell
it
it.
just full. And I send a pluck it. Yeah, man. And this is where him, some of this is a small farm.
It's
But
just
when you go to a big farm, you that have something different.
something different.
Yeah. You look on around 20, 50 acres.
Just pure coffee.
Yes, pure coffee.
Wow.
This is a small farm. All we look over to coffee, you look on it.
Eh?
All we look over to.
A pure coffee over there, sir?
Yeah, coffee and banana and sitting tree. Come, me show you one of coffee farm. You see, I believe it, look on that one there, where you row. You see?
The road down there,
Yeah,
sir?
yeah, look over there, kid, look on that tree. They're short, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Because you look straight to it, you know.
Yeah, man, me I
And
see
the
it, man.
tree, though,
Me I see it,
the
man.
coffee farm, that's it.
Okay.
I see it's a big order.
True.
Yeah.
Right over there, sir.
Yeah.
It's a coffee farm.
Yeah, when you reach I'm on James.
Yeah, they are Mount James. You can see them on there.
You want to see that big farm there, no? You see that coffee farm there? You pass it by here and outside. Some know it. Acres upon acres of coffee I look for.
True.
If you go to Portland, make it worse.
It end up at Portland.
Now the Blue Mountain Peak, now Mavis Bank.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, there's something to see. This is a truck I draw coffee for, man. It's a big truck, no small truck. And heavy.
Real.
One box of coffee heavy, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we in at the farm. Coffee and yam. Yes, man.
Cut back and put it over, sir. Then get this.
Yeah, man.
That's it. We throw them a little part. From
Yeah,
the
yeah,
road,
from the road.
Make it soak go down.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So on the rainfall or the night dew.
Yes.
Yeah.
Take time, man.
Take time and soak
Yeah,
in.
and the bike was them just working, you know.
Yeah.
Next 2 weeks time, that's the changes. Funny tree.
That's so quick.
When
Them
it pick
start
up,
them true.
yeah, man, pick up. Once as they pick you up.
Once
2
you pick
weeks
it up.
time, pick up. I want to see it. See changes, you know.
True. Hold on, what is?
Tire.
Eh?
Tire.
Tire?
Yeah. Tire. It can heat, it can dry and heat.
Look like cocoa.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah,
This
be
bigger
like
than me, you know?
It be like cocoa.
So this can eat?
The dry, yeah, man, can eat, man. And you have them.
Tire?
Yeah, tire. And you have them eat like yellow yam. Whenever
Oh.
dry.
Go down on the root the same way.
Yes,
You know, this bigger man can shelter under this if rain fall. This is tire. The man coming like cocoa. And it, yeah, they love me, man. Oh, this big.
First I come up here.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you like it?
Oh, God, man. Yes, man.
Yeah.
My kind of
You
space.
see when we stop and pick up the fertilizer,
Yeah.
when you go down back,
Mm-hmm.
you just look across the forest and take a picture, yeah?
Yeah.
Right I square, see the whole of the blue mouth forest. You can look over so
Yeah.
and over so.
For real.
You can take picture, yeah.
Alright. Respect, man. Yeah, man. You remember when you go down now?
Yeah, right how we stop, yeah?
Yeah,
You
man.
can't go before.
Yeah, yeah. And them are the chop.
Yeah, we cut back, cut. You call it cut back.
Okay, okay.
You come back strong because the tree them in tall.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, man. See my bloom there now. Take up
Okay.
the bearing. Wicked them.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, them here never so tall. We cut out some of them head.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, use it. Yeah, man. So I bring them a power saw and just cut them.
Yeah.
Them be more and more stronger.
Oh, them grow strong after they get the cut back.
From you turn back baby and I grow, you know.
Yeah.
You turn back baby and I come again.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense.
That's how we should have done too.
Oh, God,
But
man.
God build with different.
Yeah. Oh, God. That's true, man. That's true.
And yet still some people allow some people to enjoy this earth.
Oh, God.
Take away their life.
Oh, God, man.
And some people give away their life.
True.
Because this man who left town now could have been a airport at work.
Mm-hmm.
Cash money.
Mm-hmm.
And he come and farm and somebody come and take it.
Mm-hmm.
So all him a plan to do how to get rid of that person.
True.
Yeah man, because you're not going to allow. Some people are forgiveness, but
And
everything
everybody.
you can't forgive for now.
That's true.
And your daily food is.
That's true, man.
So if a man take your food away, you forget you're going to starve.
True.
You have to do something towards it.
True, true.
Ask what God. God said leave all judgment to him still.
Boy, but and everybody has what you say, not true?
Yeah, everybody know that patient.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, when you clear the root down there, the fertilizer not get to go on the leaf them.
Yeah.
Penetrate the dead,
The dirt
dead
itself.
leaf.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
True, true. Cause that be a waste, not true?
Yeah, you do a little remove. No,
Very-
yeah, it penetrate the dry leaves them as well.
Yeah, yeah. You don't want that.
No. Just do a little clear on.
Mm-hmm.
That's right, okay. Yeah, man, so I'm my classmate.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man, I'm a brother and everything in our one.
Everything now, oh, God, man.
All me and him carry same age, I'm a daddy too.
Hello, yeah, let me carry see you, mate.
Yeah, I'm a daddy too.
Oh, God, so you have to look for the life for real, you know?
We
I
take
come from far.
we take to each other, we don't have a different word.
True. True.
Love with them. Love from school days still now.
Yeah, man. Straight love for true, man. So yeah, clear out some of the coffee root and powder some.
Yeah, man, you see. First you can catch him.
Catch him good. Yeah, but look, man, go out this eastern yan.
You know, share them, you know. You know, have some mahogany tree at you know, class. Yeah, mahogany, you know.
Eh? Black mahogany?
Yeah, man. You know, with them, plant them, you know. Mahogany, this.
Lumber tree, them, eh?
Yeah, lumber, man. So, next one up on the hillside there.
How much years do I take for spring up?
Yeah. 20 years.
True.
15, 20 years time, then I can cut.
Eh?
A good lumber, them, brother.
Yeah, man, no,
Yeah,
man.
Good lumber, them,
Yeah, man. When I see them in I store them, man, I tell you.
Yeah, man, you build some furniture, them, man.
Oh,
Sell.
God, man. Mahogany this.
Yeah, man,
See it, yeah. Yes, man. Breadfruit. Oh, you put them on the hillside?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, them plant a sucker?
Yeah, sucker them.
Okay, okay.
You buy them from forestry.
Okay. Oh, forestry. Oh, you get them from forestry. You can buy them from. Okay.
Yeah, man, you can buy them.
True.
Buy them from forestry, man. Sit them.
Them coffee tree, how old them be? But all them coffee tree, I look on most of them.
Them coffee are about 20 years.
That's so much?
Yeah, man.
Jesus.
Them tree I got to all 100 years and then stand up here, you know.
And turn up?
Yeah, man, yeah, but only thing you have to do is cut them back. When you reach certain height, you cut them back and then spring again, get young again, and be more.
Yeah, I think that just tell me say yes. Once them get the cut back. Yeah, man, they come
Fertilize them,
stronger.
Fertilize them, manure them,
Yeah.
keep them.
Yeah, man.
I don't have some old man there with you.
Oh, same place on the land, yeah? True. That nice breadfruit tree, yeah. Fine, up on the ground.
I run them breadfruit tree, I run off of that and grow about the place. And
Oh, now you plant them?
no,
Eh? Then just...
run and grow.
Real.
Run underneath the ground
Mm-hmm.
and bear again.
Okay.
Man, the coconut tree, the coconut tree about nearly 70-year-old.
Jesus. Eh?
Yeah, man, you go the whole are still, but through my old man plant them and
Oh.
plant my young man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, true. I did that down there?
Yeah.
Okay, true. Yeah, man.
Yeah, you used to do, man. Can you still live there, so you know, there's a level there?
Same place. Oh, up on the level there, sir.
So, man, yeah, go to there.
What else?
Man,
Oh, I see a mahogany. Nice, good man, come up here. Yeah, man.
so me have there now. I cut out the bamboo root, yeah?
Oh, this here? Right there, sir.
Yeah, man, I cut out the bamboo root, and then I plant some plant, clean it up, yeah, so. Clean it like that, so.
Yeah.
And plant some planting. Cause plant like the hillside, you know.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, man.
Eh? I never know.
Man, plant like the hillside, yeah, man.
I never know.
You have some plant now, yeah, man. You see that plant, yeah, man. Hill.
On the hillside.
Yeah, man. Down there, the bamboo, they come up. When you come and look, man, you look right back.
Different
Like,
thing.
Yeah.
Different thing.
Man, the school over this one, no garden.
Eh?
Over this one, no garden school. See school, eh?
Mm-hmm.
No garden, all the school, that. Over for Laverne's Tavern.
Oh, Laverne's over there, sir?
Laverne's Tavern.
Laverne's Tavern.
Yeah. And you can see a part of Kingston down there, wharf. When you go up there, so you can see a part of the wharf.
Oh, you can see piece of wall from here,
Yeah,
sir?
man. You can see chicken and wharf down there, man.
Okay. Hold on, I see that. May I look one over, sir?
Yeah, man.
Oh, so far away, I see from here, sir, brother. Jesus.
Top of the Red Hills, up on top of the up on the top mountain,
Eh?
Up on the top mountain, Red
Yeah.
Hills.
Oh, Red Hills are way up.
On the hillside.
And the school there. What that school name again?
No garden, all
Oh,
that.
New Garden, College. Laverne's Taverns. Up at top there. Oh, yeah.
All them tree, you know, me have fallen tree, and so here coming.
Lychee. Eh. Oh, yeah. The old man there. Yes, man.
Sabria.
Father Grey.
Yes, man.
Yes, man.
1992, we lie down there.
92. Okay.
We have light tree.
That 2 years before me touch the earth. Yeah, man. Ah, I like this.
Expensive, you know.
Yes, man. A beer?
Yeah, man, it beer, man.
Eh?
Beer, man.
So when it beer, you sell it? You sell from it?
Yeah,
Or you just eat?
and
You just eat and give away.
Eat and give, man.
But up here, the climate up that side.
Cool, man.
Up here cool.
Cool, man.
True.
Yeah, big river down there, so, you know. Ginger River.
Ginger River back that side.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah, man, Ginger River down there, so, man. Further down the road, you know, you have Mount Orib, and then you have Brandon Hill. Then you go back to Junction, St. Mary.
Okay. Yeah, man. So the whole half of the main where you drive through them side there, literally there, in the hillside, in the bush part for them. Yeah, Brandon Hill, but them side there.
I organize up to them and we come and we are clean out all them, take off all them whisk.
Yeah.
I think can beer, man. You know beer, man? Fig, man.
Oh, God, man.
Man, them teeth hard.
Yeah, yes, because I lychee this. Yes, because this is lychee. Yeah, man. Very expensive. And up at them side there, the right side for them too, because as I say, time cool. And them love coolness. How much more time you have to go thing there before them?
Just a beer by now in September, man.
So quick?
Yeah, man.
What?
In September, man.
I know that them I get the fertilizer. You know. Yeah.
So keep it up.
I forget we forget rain in a May them time, that's not true too?
Yeah.
May June them time, the rainy time. Get look rain.
At them time, you know. You see up here, so? You get some rain up here, see better.
Holy
Right through, man.
water drop.
Right back until December.
Water just a drop.
Yeah, man. You drop, man. Right back until December, man. You get rain, man. What thing there, man? Rose apple.
Eh?
You know, rose apple.
I hear the name, but I never see it.
See over there, sir.
Oh, that's a tree over there, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
That is a good fruit to eat, you know.
I don't even think I ever see it.
Sweet cup, you know, sweet cup.
No, I never hear that one there.
What the fight there, man?
Never hear that one there. Jesus, peace, man. That's why it's nice to come in the country, them, you know, because.
And then I beer, man.
And cocoa, yeah.
Yeah, man. Then I beer, man. I get food out of them, man.
Wow.
Whole heap of food.
Whole heap.
5 gallon bucket, them. 10,000 for one of that.
For one? What? So them coffee are on it already. Like them little 1 and 2 I sip on it already. Them they are like them they are dry and drop off.
Yeah, and so they
Catch back. Oh. And when this start beer now, and I come in here, whole heap of coffee.
Yeah, man.
Whole heap.
Get out of this, man.
Whole heap. When it take a while for when like reaping process, not true when you pick them.
Yeah. From you know how to pick it, you know. Good. People
Not really.
Pick it.
Quick time.
Yeah. Quick up, man.
And the little dry one them little dry one I saw. Them I can use same way.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Dry them and beat them.
So like this in my onion now. It's same as it is.
Yeah, no. Yeah, for them are rat note.
Oh, them are rat note.
Yeah, see coffee there night, you know. It's a real coffee.
Okay.
See there? It's the real coffee.
Okay. Oh, nice. Chop a bamboo for juke off jelly. Yeah, man, this is how you get the bamboo. This is how you get the bamboo. Set that off for juke off jelly. And afterwards it can use as yam stick. Sweet.
Sweet or crime and cool.
Small and sugary.
Yeah. Belch.
Yes, man. Respect, God, that's all.
Yeah.
Respect, man. Yes, man. Right up in the hills, yeah. Yeah.
Cut them on back lane and stuff and everything.
Sweet still in crotch throat. Still up in the tree. Yeah. What am I sweet still in crotch throat? Oh, God. Yeah, man.
Like my leather was long. I put them on the outside.
Cool, man.
Wow, get underneath him.
Yeah, man. Like them there on fridge. Cool.
You know you learn now, the cut the wall too big next.
Yeah.
I'm almost full man, sir, man. Almost full man.
Yeah.
Jeez, peace. And them water are cool. Them just took off of the tree and them cool. And sweet. Even the meat inside. Sweet, yes, and cool. Cool.
A nice piece of yam now, man. A nice piece in there.
You know growing so?
Right, sir.
Yellow yam.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Call them gold dust.
Goalless.
Dry. We don't eat them, we just gold dust. Yeah. You know what I mean? When they cook it dry like egg. Now why you look so big? It's a grow.
5, 25.
Up there. Up.
You know I cut off them, then they can't see you.
Yeah, you know the cut them out.
Can't plan about this.
Yeah.
You find it?
Yeah, me plan why you down here. I think look for all the way we muck it up. One, two. And you get rid of this. Lucky. Lucky, man. Lucky, man. Hey, Sam. Like you, I mean, there. Come here. Hold this thing. This one I do, I don't remember my plan. I never remember.
I mean, know say about About 3 level plant. You have an idea, you know. You know, both of them are back.
Around the house. I'm over right, you know. Yeah, dig already.
Fine food, liquor.
Very fine, man.
You see food?
Yes. Now that's some you can go from a man.
Yeah,
You go give man the yam and the sweet him.
yeah, man, boy. You like that out of the sweet,
It's the sweet him, yes. That's why I have him back.
then I'm off. Boy, Jam. You'll find your nigga Jam.
Oh. That one here yellow yam, man. I mean, through the one here. I found the let me carry from you know.
You can't get an answer if you know what that is. You can get my bit.
You can get that.
I sweet in you. You see this, boy? The piece of white nigga Jam, man. Boy, you have to give me a piece more right there.
I get a piece right there. Yeah, boss. Yo.
Pop.
That means I well fit.
Do. You need more to
You say white?
I dice off yam.
Yeah, you should. You thought burn too, so the garden.
It's soft. Different soft.
See me, it's not renter.
Yeah.
See me, it's not renter.
You want to cut the boy?
Yeah, now I get the 5 pound, see. We get another sweet mouth. See, say bun? Oh, all right. See there? See, I dig already. See, I dig already.
You want to live in there?
Hold on there.
It's gone down in there.
Look at piece gone on there. And the back is white like snow. I'll be again. I told you, cool, make it never be a cool. Tree cool. Cool. White. See how more.
I'm going to have it this year. Yeah. You want to know saying we can go through it. Chop out your so. Over that side, there's one drop some plant from the hill.
All them mango chop, bow them off and drop them out.
Yeah.
Here coming, isn't it? Yellow yam not. Nigga. The car do it. Just one could do. You can't eat here, you know. You can't yam nigga yam, but the yellow yam.
No, that's only yam.
Yeah. What up this?
Go wait, nigga yam in there. Alright. Oh yeah, go on man. You know. Okay, get the 5 4.
Yes, sir. We are done this one. I done it done now. See, I dig already. Yeah. And turn it. Dry. Down back. Now plant it back. Now start up so.
They say that
Get up in a yellow.
got 2 weeks in the back.
Alright, so this is what we do just right. It's very pretty. At least you're see. Yeah, so. Let me jump to that one. Yeah. The biggest piece of in the bag, I think. Then, where the piece of cut out? Huh? Yeah, so. I need to go back to get. Where did you go?
I said, get the weight from the one you want. I am 34. You know that? More than 34, I am one time.
Yeah, maybe there's some. You don't know.
Yellow yam, they have to beat up.
Yellow yam?
They have to put it in the gym,
Yeah, yellow yam this year.
You check can't count all that. You can't plan them if it's a.
Small plan a bit. Sun drying. I be something there, you know. Yes, it dig for it.
Yeah, we never have no food.
He said, now go and get food. I said, I get food. And it's a natural head. Make sure you all land for plant them, you know. You see?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. He just a breed, yeah, maybe so then big. Yeah, well, me I dig get me big, man. So yeah, come back home now. I should have one extra big. I should have one extra big. I think I'm down. Hey, you got it. Oh, yeah, okay.
Yo.
Have it.
No.
I mean, have it. Yeah, yeah. They're right here. Yeah.
A 64 I am here for me there. You feel the weight, man.
Say, just feel the weight and know how much.
Yeah, man, can't have it.
See the guy.
What about that man there? What about the man there?
You publish it.
I ramp in my ramp. From here, I use up my gun already. Bun. More grass again, sir.
You say what? Mozilla. What's the difference between it and the yellow?
Well, that yam are more, that one is serve longer, keep longer.
Oh.
No, sir. Cut up him, man. The Mozilla there we have was about, there you go, 38. Let me cut off and I cut off, I check it, you know.
See first? Alright. Alright, two. Wet. Full of damage. It's right there. I look at you, come there. You see? I got two in the sand.
Is it 40 in it?
No. Food I was in the piper. Oh, that's a start from it. Look at
I think I have a monkey in there.
that. Boom, boom.
Okay, I'm going to go next to you.
Eh? Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. That's a cast study, I mean. Let me dance this way, too. I don't think I will have done, you know. And let dance it through there. Yeah, but still, I had the jam. You know. Still. Dirty, that's a wet door. Now I got through the drought. Wet. Eh?
Then I cut that. Cut out them cane, man. Kind of send them coming. So you can get soak out.
You know that we have to do it.
That's it. I didn't get them away.
You get away. And I love cane when I get in there. I'm sure I can in a yard. Yes, son. I can't in a yard.
Ah, pati like just run out, you know.
I can't see it.
My kids did it.
Yeah. Him around real life. He run. See that, son? Nabi ada yam.
No be nothing.
Ay, kailangan ka sa pum-pum pa ni. Strand. Let me alay pick na may digang plant back. This is a sweet like sugar. Same yellow.
Yeah.
Ready for going to pot?
Ready for pot?
Yes. Ready for going to pot? It's some steamed fish.
It's some steamed fish.
Yes, everything you want it with.
Yeah, man.
Everything you want it with, sir. Do that. Come out. Dia tidak tu apa? Dia tidak tu apa itu smart. Smart ayo. Jadi baik. Kita yam kan. Yam kan ini. Kan. Apa?
In a pot.
Ya. Ya, ibu simpen pam ya wala ka. Lagi aku pun yang kan. Ibu simpen pam.
Yeah, man.
Dah kali ni kalau yang bukat,
Eh.
sampai dia yang kecil, kita makan tu.
Yeah, man. Gotta take out them cane. Yeah, man.
You feel good, man. You come out to feel good, you know. Yeah, man.
Fish yam up on the fire there. Yam up on the fire, go on. Saltfish there. Yeah. Yeah, right now, go out today. Saltfish. Yam. Yes, man. Yeah, man. Is that the bush life, yeah? Yeah, man.
Hey, bird. Bird, you know too.
Are you getting them bullets, Sam? Are you getting them bullets, Sam? Cheese and peas. Yes. Yes. Look at this. At the bush life. I say I have living at the bush.
We plant one guinea prawn so we run but it like it did. One white guinea. It run. It'll be like it's like a staple beer. That's it, yeah.
Yeah, what I say is good. Now you are central. I could actually go and cut some supper. And so if I take going to move in, I say that I spring a kitchen, I know. Gone in Ghana, you know. When you plant it, then I miss, you know. I hope in a year ago.
Full up the place of food. Food in him.
Yeah.
Can't shot.
Can't shot.
And you can't hungry neither.
Yeah, that's in your cocoa.
Yeah.
And tie your bush, huh?
Wow.
And if you got a bush, you find some yam over bush. Oh?
You don't want to go cook tonight. Nobody wants to go cook, you know.
You dig it out, man.
So what me doing, man? You cook out there tonight, do you?
Yeah, good food.
No rice, no flour.
Right.
Kill it down and drop in my soup pot, you see. Me blood fire.
I will tell you.
What?
Oh, a good food, man.
Well, that's a man.
A good food. Long as you try.
Long as you drive, man.
When you try, you're good to go. You know, not
Mash
really,
out in,
yeah.
When you drink the soup, you have to me I tell you, say, Papa, with some chicken back and some chicken foot, you see.
Nice.
Boy, come here, every Saturday, you know, for soup, you know.
Papa, fear, yeah.
Yes, man. I can't cook as man. I cook a big pot of soup, you know, brother.
Oh,
Left over, I don't put some in the freezer and make it turn in there.
can you know ramp, you know?
Yes,
You like
man.
you know ramp, they go. Me like you, no say like you grump food. And I best food if you eat. Couple cocoa in I bag.
Carville, see me at airport and Carville say, me raw some.
Pepper.
Pepper say, Sam, let me I see your age. What would be your sorry, the plant sorry long this one, brother. 2 times I reap sorry long there, no. Christmas. Yeah, man. In Christmas time, man. 2 times I reap sorry long there, man.
True. Hot in a man. Just the come out. Jeez.
So the time to get cool.
Yeah, man, I've got cool, man.
Yeah, man. That's like coffee beer right now. Like coffee like the cool.
The coolness, yeah. Yeah, man. We up in the hills. Oh, good.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yes, man.
pieces of the yellow yam. Just come out for the fire.
Roast yam, saltfish.
Yeah, man. This is the vibe up in the hills. Yeah, man. This is just put it literally up in the top of the road. Look there. You can see all from Kingston. Saltfish. Yeah, man. I am.
Like the flavor you get from the two of them are combined in that father son. Cheese and peas. Oh God, man.
So we them deal them, man. Roast them and scrape them. The cocoa them, man. You see how the cocoa them, man.
Yeah.
You roast all the cocoa them, man. That nice, you know.
The cocoa?
Yeah,
You know,
man.
whenever you eat the roasted,
Yeah, man.
it's supposed to soft though.
Yeah, man. Just, well, dosey.
Good, man.
Some people never experience them as something anything either.
Not true?
Yeah, man. Some people never experience them as something, man.
Gosh.
We can do we think do it.
Not true?
Yeah.
Just like that up in the bush in the hills. Yeah. Yes, man.
People are lazy, man. No one do nothing.
Not at all.
Yeah.
Best life. The best life. Best life. Best life. Up here cool. And nice. Yeah, man. Tons of trees. Mango. You name it, all different type of trees. Yeah. You see that tree, yeah? Tons of these up here. Holy for them here up here. Yeah, man. And they have both a lot of coffee, a lot of cane, a lot of fruit trees, mango, breadfruit, you name it. They right there up on the land. Man, and it's amazing for touching upon them kind of life and just, you know, nature. Yeah, man, just collaborate with nature. Can't get no better than this up in the bush. Yes, man. Yeah, man, Father, sorry, the selfish. Yeah, man. Yes, man. Yeah, man, the best life, man. Best life. Can't get no better than this. Yeah, man.
I want to see me Easter. Look here now. I want to see me Easter tea.
Oh, you dry them and beat them?
For me Easter.
Yeah, Easter.
3 weeks for now.
Oh, so
First night, people chop them and broke them and put them at tongue. I would eat them. Woodpecker. Me want me Easter tea out of these. See me, chocolate. These are chocolate, the best chocolate in Jamaica.
Yeah, man. Can't get no better.
Well,
This
which
is the
one?
original.
St. Andrew coffee.
Yeah, man.
High mountain. You know, the blue mountain, high mountain.
Best-
Chocolate.
Best coffee and the best chocolate.
Yeah, look at them. See them now. I want this for my tea for Easter. And praise God, we don't kill God pitney Jesus. When they kill God pitney, I drink some tea in the morning. Put me on the camera. Easter morning, me a boy try to and drink, cause then kill God pitney Jesus, and my brother then kill. And me a take him to the farm Babylon, me a Babylon no friend, and them and me a plant. We want to help your farmer if you have respect.
True.
You know, respect farmer. Farmer is fucking loafer. Farmer is a pimper. Farmer no fi have nothing. Farmer was bat every day. You see me?
Yeah.
Personal, I don't know so less. Personal. Me a body something strong in chemical. Me get a 1 pot left, me take camera on me hard. The chemical, a 2,000 of the chemical make good. Use the man chemical make you see here. Mix it personal. Then I make good, you have to burn it strong here. Me a burn out the bugs, I make it strong and good. Pick one shot and book here, some man, I put it in a bag and carry it. You know, get on the shell. Yeah, but some put it in a bag for me. Now just
bag you have to put that in there. But
small bag, man. You have to carry it for weight. Pick some and broke here and wait till come back and put it in.
bread and cheese.
Yeah.
You eat
I
all
go
this?
eat, man. I don't eat it, man. I go do this spread. I do this spread. If the blood clot, try to put that one like and see. And the boy can't lock my mouth.
With skin pan it. With the skin pan it. Fat man.
Send some people in balling, get try to get people in and get them. Then get look at they have put and plant, I plant it, and how it's really, I'm done Kai-ball girl. Kai-ball and you have fat money when I come. Man volleyball girl, labor, blood clot volleyball girl. Okay. You know me not come some more wood. Argument done. The man young work like say my Christian.
Wapa cool and nice though. Lovely place, man.
Yes, man.
Fresh trees, breeze.
Maybe they are still life on God. Look, none of them are wicked them, murderer them, criminal them. Them guys man can go and rather money they don't want to go. How we need it for one to pay. Some not talk about them can get things. Because they book everything. Until they say something want to chat to the boy.
You gotta cook when there's some can't care cook him.
Yeah, man. Cook him down nice. Yes. So I take off it, spring up them.
You got one there. Come on.
You know, you tell you, when me get a me plant and say uncle this is a few. So me say uncle this. You start here, man. God know me, me and God a friend. Me not got to go tell you about me a Christian son or something. Me a God pitney, tip time, here. You know, make it. Me can't put it on my phone too. Who are going to tell you like Panga, if you're a Christian, you got them and criminal.
I already took can walk, come on your father.
Who can't walk? Who can't walk?
I want a butcher to have one, I don't care about. I just say a farmer. I want a butcher to have one.
I got me to have the two now.
Yeah, you can't joke the in my butter, I'm going to.
When we are come from bush, that's how we have to do it, you know? Yeah, man. So we just left out of the coffee ground, I pure coffee them. All of them over here, see, I just pure coffee. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See you, myself. Big up on yourself.
Stay tuned for the upcoming episode as the amazing journey continues, where we'll travel to Thornton, St. Elizabeth on a pine farm, eat sweet Jamaican sugarcane, more yam digging, and more authentic Jamaican vibes.